Sorry.
What is the purpose of today's event?
Thank you. The purpose of today's event is, as I told the chamber this afternoon, the Philippines and India, we have a long relationship, 75 years, but really more than 1,000 years. We have known each other. But I believe that there is a lacuna, no? There's a gap, there's a getting to know you that needs to happen. And we are here right now in Kolkata and, in West Bengal in order to introduce the Philippines to Indians. To help Indians get to know the possibilities in terms of investments, in terms of trade, but also tourism. I believe there's much to be gained between two countries that have been interacting for over 1,000 years to sort of intensify that, right now at the present by having Filipinos come to India, get to know our Indian friends, the beauty of and heritage of India, and for Indians to also discover the Philippines and its many, many charms.
So, what are the key areas for trade and economic cooperation between India and Philippines?
So our trade between the Philippines and India has really ramped up over the past 5 years. As I have been mentioning, our trade reached a record US $3 billion in 2023, and it continues to be at that level in 2024. So there's a lot of promise, trade and investments. A lot of Indian companies are operating in the Philippines, for instance, especially in pharmaceuticals, in the IT and business process outsourcing. I myself, my very first job was in IT with an Indian company. So there's a lot of interaction that's happening on the trade and investment levels that we need to cultivate. But we are also here to cultivate people-to-people ties, and so we would also want to encourage tourism.
Okay, so this is your third visit to Kolkata. How's your experience?
This is my third visit.
Yeah, how's your experience?
Well, I've always loved this city, the heritage, the culture, the food. In my first visit, I was here also to get to know my people here because there's a significant community of Filipinos here in Kolkata. And like India, we take care of our diaspora. Anywhere we go, they are under the good care of our honorary consul under Consul General Kemka. But here, for this third visit, we are really here for the Bengal Business Summit. And we are very, very gratified at the success of the event and at the opportunities we see arising from our participation here. Very, very fruitful.
So specific to Bengal, what are the sectors you are looking at?
Right now, as I said earlier, my first visit in April last year was to send off, for instance, the first resumed export by India of rice to the Philippines. We are the world's largest consumer of rice. So right off, I can say there's a lot of cooperation possibilities in terms of importing from West Bengal agricultural commodities. But in terms of industry, we see real promise in IT, in semiconductors. As India tries to build its indigenous semiconductor industry, we believe that there are synergies that can be found with the semiconductor in the Philippines that has been one of the strong pillars of the global semiconductor industry for the past 10 years. We see opportunities in pharmaceuticals, in electric vehicles, just a really broad range of possibilities. And that's why it's been very fruitful to be here for this business summit to discover what the actual concrete possibilities are.
So you have mentioned about developing tourism between India and Philippines. One of the area you have also mentioned that Indians need to know more about Philippines. Now, film industry is one of the area through which tourism is promoted, and people who cannot travel otherwise can know Philippines through the film industry. Does the Philippines is planning certain kind of incentive for Indian filmmakers to go to Philippines and shoot films like Malaysia and many other countries have offered?
True, indeed. I'm happy that you raised that question. In fact, for the past 2 years, the administration of President Marcos and our Ministry of Tourism, they have been really going around the world, Hollywood, and now I'm sure Bollywood will be next, in order to promote the Philippines as a location for film shoots. So there are incentives to be had and incentives to be given in order to make that happen. And we are ready through our trade office in the embassy to answer and to respond to any inquiries along these lines, because that's really part of our priority now, is to help introduce the Philippines, as you said, as an ideal location for film shoots. And there's such a diverse and rich landscape by which the films in India can take advantage of, whether it's beach or heritage or shopping or urban locations. There are very, very rich scenes that can be had, and that will enrich the beauty of Indian films themselves.